Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore something that can completely change the way you learn English. Not just how you study it, but how you actually think and speak in English. Many people understand English very well. They can read, they can listen, but when it's time to speak, they stop. They start translating in their mind. They feel slow, confused, and sometimes even lose confidence. If that sounds like you, don't worry, you are not alone. In this lesson, I am going to guide you step by step with a simple and powerful method that helps you think directly in English and speak naturally without fear. This is not just a lesson, it's a full practice session. So don't just listen, speak with me, repeat after me, and train your brain to use English in real life. Let's get started. Learning English can feel difficult for many people. They study grammar, memorize vocabulary, and practice reading and listening. However, when it is time to speak, they suddenly stop. The mind becomes slow and they feel confused. This happens because they try to translate every sentence from their native language into English. Translating is one of the biggest problems in learning a new language. When a person thinks in their own language first and then changes it into English, the process takes time. As a result, they cannot speak naturally or confidently. To become fluent, it is important to stop translating and start thinking directly in English. Thinking in English does not mean using difficult words or complex sentences. In fact, it is better to begin with very simple ideas. For example, a learner can look around and say, I see a table, I have a phone, or I am sitting. These simple sentences help train the brain to use English naturally. Daily practice plays an important role in improving fluency. A person can describe their daily routine in English. In the morning, they can think, I wake up, I brush my teeth, and I drink tea. By repeating these simple sentences every day, speaking becomes easier and faster. Another helpful method is amazing situations. For example, a learner can imagine being in a park and say, I am in a park, I see trees, and I feel relaxed. This kind of practice builds confidence and improves the ability to think without translating. As learners become more comfortable, they can start making longer sentences. Instead of saying, I am tired, they can say, I am tired because I worked all day. This helps connect ideas and improves communication skills. Asking questions in English is also a powerful technique. A learner can ask themselves, what am I doing? Or why am I learning English? And then answer in simple sentences. This creates a natural flow of thinking and speaking. Learning to think in English is the key to fluency. It is not necessary to know thousands of words or perfect grammar. What matters most is regular practice, simple thinking, and confidence. By speaking every day and avoiding translation, anyone can improve their English and communicate naturally. Start thinking about what you are doing right now. I am sitting, I am reading, I am learning English, I am using my phone. Say simple things in your mind or softly. What am I doing? I am studying. What will I do next? I will eat, I will sleep. Look around, think in English. This is the table, this is a chair, this is my phone. The fan is moving, the light is on. Don't try difficult grammar. Don't use long sentences at first. Don't translate. Use simple English. Repeat daily. Speak without fear. Now try to speak for 1 minute. Topic: my daily life. You can say, every day I wake up in the morning. I start my day with simple activities. I try to learn English every day. Sometimes it is difficult, but I do not stop. I want to improve my speaking. I believe I can do it. Don't stop. Don't think too much. Just speak. You just practice thinking and speaking in English for a long time. This is how fluency is built, not by memorizing, but by using the language. Remember, think in English. Speak every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. You are improving step by step. If you stayed until the end, you are serious about learning English. Keep going. I will see you in the next lesson.